A classic shrimp ceviche with F and Sharp. I have here 3/4 of a pound of red Argentinian shrimp that I'm cutting up into bite-sized pieces. Slightly smaller is better because there's other ingredients and you want to get everything in one bite. This shrimp is going down to cook in the lime juice. This is going to break down the proteins, essentially cooking without heat. This is the F and Sharp chef's knife. Going into some limes, getting that prepped and ready to go. And then one key kind of tool, especially when dealing with this much citrus, is a citrus press. You can use a combination of citrus, so go ahead if you want to mix up some lime juice with lemon and orange as well, or you can go straight lime juice, it's up to you. You're looking for about 3/4 to a cup of juice when that's all finished. The shrimp's going in there by itself, and now we're just getting into some jalapenos here. Whether you keep the ribs and seeds is up to you. Mother Nature, you never know exactly how hot it's going to be until you get into it. Make sure to wash your hands thoroughly before touching your face or anything else sensitive. I'd say give this more of a fine mince, and then we'll get into our next veggie, bell pepper, cutting off the cheeks, slicing those into julienne strips, turning that, and then also dicing those pretty small as well. Tomatoes, as you see in the background, they're optional. It's up to you. If they're too soft, you do not want to use them. They will just kind of turn to mush. So into our shrimp with everything else after the shrimp have been in the fridge for about 30 minutes, maybe an hour. And then in with some fresh cilantro, avocado if you'd like. Stir that up, let it go in the fridge for another 30 to 60 minutes, and then enjoy. And make sure, for this and more, check out fandsharp.com.